How to direct deposit at Ally Bank. Intro. Hey there, you just got your first paycheck. It's a big moment, right? But what do you do with it? One popular option is direct deposit. It's a way to have your paycheck automatically deposited into your bank account, saving you time and hassle. But how does it work, especially with a bank like Ally? Let's dive in. What is direct deposit? Direct deposit is essentially a digital transfer of funds. Instead of receiving a physical check, your employer sends the money directly to your bank account. It's like having your paycheck magically appear in your bank account, minus the magic. Why use direct deposit? There are several reasons why direct deposit is a great choice. Asterisk convenience, no more trips to the bank to deposit checks. Asterisk safety, reduces the risk of lost or stolen checks. Asterisk speed, funds are typically available immediately or the next business day. Asterisk efficiency, streamlines your finances. Setting up direct deposit with Ally Bank. Now, let's get to the main event, how to set up direct deposit with Ally Bank. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Ally Bank account. This can be done through the Ally Bank website or mobile app. Locate the direct deposit information. Look for a section labeled direct deposit or something similar. Provide your employer's information. You'll need to provide your employer's name, address, and routing number. Enter your Ally Bank account information. This includes your account number and type, checking or savings. Submit the form. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, submit the form. Additional tips for direct deposit. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when setting up direct deposit. Asterisk double-check the information. Ensure all the details you provide are accurate. Asterisk consider multiple accounts. If you have multiple Ally accounts, you can choose where to deposit your paycheck. Asterisk contact your employer. Inform your employer about your direct deposit setup. Asterisk monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account to ensure the deposits are being made correctly. Troubleshooting direct deposit issues. If you're experiencing problems with your direct deposit, here are some common issues and how to address them. Asterisk delayed deposits. Check if there are any holidays or weekends that might affect the deposit timing. Asterisk incorrect information. Verify that all the information you provided is accurate. Asterisk account issues. Ensure there are no holds or restrictions on your account. Conclusion. Direct deposit is a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily set up direct deposit with Ally Bank. So, go ahead and take advantage of this modern banking feature. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.